It's gonna be over 100 degrees in Chicago, and we're doing our vacation in Chicago, where we live today. We are packed up, and I'm gonna show you later what's in this container we bought from Congo, and we'll see what's in it once we get to where we're going. And we are going to the beach, to the lakefront in Chicago. We are packed with cold water, and we're almost ready to go. Montrose Beach, we're right here, Chicago. We decided to do a vacation in Chicago, and it is hot. It's 100 degrees or so. We're getting ready to take a swim. We didn't have to go to Florida for this. It's something that Chicago has so much nice things. This beach is very crowded. There's look at all these people. Just do a quick glance. The beaches in Chicago go from one end of the city all the way to the next end. And there are many beaches that you can choose from along the way. Rocky bike path. I feel like we're in the country somewhere, and this is Chicago. So we got on this rocky road. It's amazing, a rocky road. Right by the water, by the lake. Big lake here in Chicago. Golf course on this side, looks like. And we're on this rocky road. They made it real, like, feel like you're in a nature zone here. Wow, this is nice. Wow, Mushi, what do you think about Chicago summertime? Uh-oh. It's so hot, it looks like somebody got hurt there in an ambulance. They had to come, well, you can't see it, but 100-degree day, but it was a beautiful idea to come out here, swimming, biking. Now we're gonna eat, and we're about to reveal what's in that container. Just in a little while, we'll see. From that container that we bought in Congo, you'll see how they do it all the way in Chicago, too. All right, now we're talking about this nice container, stainless steel. Hot. Wow, and this was hours ago.
Oh my gosh, it's hot. Oh no! Did you bring paper towel?
I got a lot of those. Yeah. So here we are. These are plates. Fixing at home. What's on the plates, Musha?
Chicken and veggies.
We got them wrapped up real good. You say they're hot?
Very hot.
Wow.
Just like when
oh my gosh, they're hot to
they
touch.
cook it.
Oh my gosh, and this been in the hot car and in the hot steel. That's how they do it in Africa. Alright, it's gonna be good. Alright. Set out in this beautiful park. See where we set out. The lake right there. And we're about to eat.
Eat dinner.
All right, This is how the food is looking. This is the time here. Yeah, if you dig down deeper, we got asparagus on the bottom there.